Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 12th CBSE Maths Relation and Function Exercise 1.2 question number 9. Let's see the question. Let f is a function n to n be defined as f of x n plus 1 by 2 if n is an odd number. Odd number means we are going to take f of x to be n plus 1 by 2. If it is an even number, n by 2 for all n is a natural numbers. Here they have given 2f of x, that is one is odd means we need to use this, for even we need to use this. So let me draw and explain you in arrow diagram. I am going to take 1, 2, 3, 4 because natural numbers to natural numbers, right? Natural numbers to natural numbers. Here if I substitute 1 is an odd number, so I need to substitute here 1 plus 1 by 2. So 2 by 2 will become 1. So f of x for this will become 1. If I substitute 2 is an even number, so I need to substitute in this. So 2 by 2 will become 1. If I substitute 3 plus 1 is 4 by 2 is 2. So same way 4 is an even number, I need to substitute in this. So 4 by 2 will become 2. So from this it is clearly seen that there are, for 1 and 2 it has the same image 1. For 3 and 4 it has the same image 2. So it is not a one-to-one function because the 1 has 2 pre-images, same way the 2 has 2 pre-images. So the different elements of 1 and 2 have same image. Image 1, therefore f is not one-to-one function. So it is not a one-to-one function. Now we'll move for onto function. For onto function, let me take the first equation first. Let y is equal to f of x. Let y is equal to f of x. There are two f of x, so I am taking it separately here. For the first one, taking y is equal to, instead of f of x, I am substituting n plus 1 by 2. Here n, as it is f of x, I am just substituting the value of x here. Same way for this y, it is x by 2. We need to find x, bring 2 to this side, it becomes 2y, and bring 1 to the side, it becomes minus 1. Here 2y is equal to x. So there are 2x, which is 2y minus 1 and 2y. Here substitute any value. In this we know that for all natural numbers, for all natural values of y, x will be odd. So substitute any value and check. Your x will become an odd number. Same way for all natural values of y, x will be even. So for the codomain we are getting all the odd numbers as well as the even number. So it includes both the odd number and even number, means your x, the codomain will have the y we can substitute any value. There is no any restrictions. We can substitute any values of y. That means your range will be equal to your codomain, which is nothing but our natural numbers. So according to this we know that range is equal to the codomain, therefore f is onto function. It is not one-to-one, but it is a onto function. So it is not a bijective function because here it satisfied only with onto function and not a one-to-one function. That's all with the sum. Thank you.